Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a mathematician that's helped me out many times just kind of gave me a pointer. So I need to rotate these things equally into 4 parts on 45 degrees. So I just figured out what a fourth of 45 degree and a half and 2 3/4 of it. Well, he said, instead of getting out a calculator, you could just do it with math. So we'll grab on this and it's going to rotate from the center. And we're just going to type in 45 divided by 4. And it gives us that 11.25. Now this one is 45 divided by 2. And it gives us that 22.5. And then on the third one is 45 times 3/4. So we'll go 45 times 3/4. And it gave us our 33.75. So I thank him for that. He's been very helpful through the last couple of months. He's a math guru. I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.